To add Temu to DSers for dropshipping, follow these steps. Sign up for DSers. First, sign up for a DSers account on the DSers website. If you already have an account, log in. Install DSers app on Shopify. If you're using Shopify, go to the Shopify App Store, search for DSers, and click Add App. Follow the prompts to integrate DSers with your Shopify store. Log into DSers. Open the DSers app on your Shopify store and log into your DSers account. Find Temu supplier in DSers. Once logged in, navigate to the suppliers or product sourcing section within DSers. In the search bar, look for Temu suppliers or specific products you want to source from Temu. Import Temu products to DSers. When you find Temu products you want to sell, click on Add to DSers or Import. These products will be added to your DSers product list, and you can start managing them for dropshipping. Link Temu to your Shopify store. Ensure your Shopify store is linked to DSers so that imported products are synced for order fulfillment.